Hello guys. So in today's SolidWorks video, we are going to talk about the SolidWorks configurations. So here are the two parts. This one is the first part and this one is the second part. The first part is of diameter 10 and having a length of 50 mm, and second part is of diameter 20 and having length of 100 mm. So usually what we will do in SolidWorks, we will draw these two parts as a separate one, like part 1 and part 2. But in the SolidWorks configurations, we are going to draw these two parts in one single part. So let's see how we can do that. So here is the SolidWorks. So I'll choose a top plane over here and draw a circle of diameter 10. Okay, and after that I'll extrude it to the length of 50 mm. Okay, let's save this part. Okay, desktop, save. Okay, so the part I have drawn is the first part having the diameter of 10 mm and length is 50. So I want to draw the second part. For that, just go in the configuration manager. So just right click, add one configuration, name it like OD20 and length is 100. Hit OK. This is the previous one part, like I'll just rename it OD10 and the length 50. Okay, so now this green check mark means for now my OD20 and length 100 part is selected. After that I'll go in this feature, I'll check it on sketch, edit sketch. Now I want to make 20 by 100 mm part. I'll click on the diameter 10. After that, see, if you see over here, the two configurations options are available over here. First one is for the tolerances and second one is for this diameter 10. So we will hit on the second option. After that, click on this configuration option, hit OK. After that, make 20 mm and hit OK. So diameter changes from 10 to 20. Exit sketch. Now let's change its length. So edit feature. After that, select this option, this configuration for 50. Make it as 100. Hit OK. Okay, so now we successfully created two configurations in one single parts. So let's check it. Okay, so for now the second configuration is active. We will activate first configuration by double clicking it. Okay, as you see, the first configuration is active. Diameter is 10 and length is 50. See, diameter is 10 mm and its length is 50. And we will activate now second configuration. See, diameter is 10 mm and this length is 50. So in the configurations, like we can draw two parts like having the same dimensions in a one single part. And if I want to add another configurations, like the configuration table is generated over here automatically. Just click on the show table and like you can add one configuration. Like next we will add a OD30 and length of 150. Just hit OK. After that, just change it, it's a 30 mm and its length is 150. Apply. Okay. Okay, so now our third configuration is also ready. Now the second configuration is active because green check mark is on the second configuration. So we will active the third configurations and check its dimensions. Okay, the third configuration is now activated. So see, diameter is 30 and length is 150 as per our this configuration table. Like if you want to add more configurations, like you can add it and just save it and change the dimensions. Okay, so if you guys have any kind of doubt or any kind of queries, like feel free to reach me in the comment section. I'll reply those viewers. And please, if you like the video, uh, hit the like button. Thank you so much guys.